Yeah, whatever.
Girl, if you say whatever to me one more time, before the walk can get out of your mouth, I'm going to be in the back of a police car. Sit down. Sit down. You know what happens with little girls that you just mad at the world? They grow up and become bitter old women if they don't figure out what's going on with them.
Bitter old woman, just like the one you sitting there talking to, a bitter old woman. A bitter 450-pound old woman.
Oh, that's funny? At least you can smile. Did that hurt? Did it crack your face, Cruella?
I ain't got a whole lot to smile about.
Push that up. Got a whole lot to smile about. You living. You got children your age in the hospital, strung out on HIV, drugs, and everything else. You sitting talking like you ain't got nothing to smile. You a pretty little girl. Honey. Get you a mirror and see how pretty you are. And smile at yourself sometimes.
You're not pretty to me. I ain't got nice clothes or nothing.
Clothes don't make you pretty. They make you broke. You know why I want you to? Because ain't no mirror down here. When you get through cleaning that window, look at yourself. You see how pretty you are. Go on, clean it real good. Here you see her smile. Ting.
That's not the original Gap man. They just get all their clothes from the Gap, so we call them the Gap Band. Sound good? Don't they sound good tonight? She look good tonight. I don't have to. Oh my Lord, the church. We got a lady here from the church, baby. I'm telling you, this lady can sing. She can really sing. Ladies and gentlemen, now the spirit says if we make a lot of noise, she just may come up here and sing a song for us cold little sinners. Miss Wilma? Oh, Miss Wilma don't mind. Come on up here, Miss Wilma. How you doing tonight?
I'm doing fine, Fred.
Good seeing you, Miss Wilma. You look lovely.
Thank you very much.
All right, you gonna sing something for us tonight?
Well, I'm always ready to give my testimony anytime.
Now, Miss Wilma, I don't mind you sing. Let's save all that testimony stuff for the church, all right? Right now, we just want you to sing a little song, make the people feel good. What y'all waiting on? You know what she's going to do.
Hold this back. Don't steal my I'd like to dedicate this to all the beautiful ones. This one is special to you. To fulfill the need to be who I am in this world is all I ask. I can't pretend to be something that I'm not. And I won't wear a mask. Oh, you touch my face with love in your eyes. Will you touch my heart with the understanding